So, there's supposed to be a cat right here. It's been missing for like 2 years. Fixed the tranny leak. That's from swapping out the servo. Still got to clean it. But figured might as well fix the exhaust as well. So, this will be a part 1 video. Got a piece ready. Let's see how things go. This will probably piss off some exhaust guys too. Once I'm done, you'll see why. Decided we're not using that part. We're calling it weight reduction. And we got it coming up. Parts attached. Now we just need to finish it. A little memory. Metal gets hot. Alright, and finished.